Hello and welcome. I'm Professor Phil Tomlinson from the University of Bath, and I'm the editor of the Policy Debate section of the academic journal Regional Studies. Thank you for joining us for a very special award ceremony for the Regional Studies Editorial Board's best paper published in Policy Debates. Policy Debates is a periodic section in Regional Studies which provides a forum for interdisciplinary analysis and debate about important policy issues of international relevance in urban and regional development. In doing so, it connects academic and practitioner communities by exploring the interface between academic debates and policy design, implementation, and results. We publish papers that engage with major strands of contemporary policy thinking and that improve our understanding of how and why regional policies work or don't. As a result, papers published in policy debates are generally highly cited and receive a high number of downloads, not only by scholars, but also by policy practitioners and policy think tanks. I am delighted to announce that the 2024 award for Best Paper in Policy Debates goes to Helen Tilley of the Wales Centre for Public Policy, Ananya Mukherjee of Cardiff University, Andrew Connell, also of the Wales Centre for Public Policy, Charlotte Hoole of the University of Birmingham, and Jack Newman of the University of Bristol for their paper entitled A Place-Based System, Regional Policy Levers and the UK's Productivity Challenge. This paper deals with a long-standing salient issue, the regional productivity puzzle. In doing so, the paper adopts a unique mixed methods approach to shed new light on the efficacy of regional policy levers and the challenges facing 3 UK regions. Some valuable regional policy insights follow. This is an excellent and truly insightful paper that ticks all of the boxes required and more for publication in policy debates. So on behalf of Regional Studies, welcome to Helen, Anya, Andrew, Charlotte and Jack, and many congratulations. Would you like to say a few words, Helen?
Thank you, Phil. That would be a pleasure. We're all really honoured to receive the award. It means a lot, and particularly to be recognised amongst the high quality papers that Regional Studies publishes. Personally, I really enjoyed the process of working with a very talented team of co-authors, and I feel we've been on a fascinating research journey together. The paper grew out of an ESRC research project called Local Institutions, Productivity, Sustainability and Inclusivity Trade-offs, or LIPSIT for short. And in that project, we worked with a great team from the universities of Surrey, Birmingham, Warwick and Cardiff, where I'm based, and the think tank Demos. So a huge thanks to the entire team. And I'd like to also add a quick thanks to my colleague James Down at the Wales Centre for Public Policy for his reviews of the draft paper. And of course, a big thank you to the wonderful co-author team. And I'll hand over to Jack now.
Thanks, Helen, and thanks to you for leading the paper and driving it forward. I was at the University of Surrey when I was on the LIPSIT project, so thanks to Nigel Gilbert, who I worked with there, and also Lisa Fletcher and Gail Deason, who did a lot to support the LIPSIT project. I think the paper really emphasises the importance of investing in local and regional governance institutions, especially in their capacity to make policy, the links between them, and thinking carefully about the way they're funded. So I think there's a lot of lessons in here for policymakers. So yeah, for more detail, go read the paper or look at the surrounding blogs. Thanks a lot and to RSA, and I'll pass over to Charlotte.
Thanks, Jack. Yeah, huge thanks from me. Also, it's great to see our work being recognised as important and worthwhile by our peers, and thanks to Phil and Regional Studies for this opportunity, and of course the reviews for their time and comments on earlier drafts. And of course, huge thanks to my co-authors, and especially to Helen for leading the paper. It really was a pleasure working with you on this. Thanks also to our colleagues within the wider LIPSIT team, who I know have already been mentioned. We're all working on different projects now, but we all continue to build upon this work in one way or another. And I look forward to seeing where we go next with it. Thank you. Over to you, Andrew.
Thank you, Charlotte. Well, I came into this quite late, so I'd like to thank Helen and Jack and you, Charlotte and Ananya, for inviting me to be part of this article. I learned a lot from doing it. Great people to work with, and winning this award is the icing on the cake. So thank you very much, and over to you, Ananya.
Thank you, Andrew. First of all, I'd like to thank Helen, Andrew, for increasing our understanding on the policy levers. And it's been a great privilege working with the LIPSIT team and the Welsh Centre for Public Policy and the wider team. And congratulations to the entire team on getting this paper published in this prestigious Regional Studies Association journal. And many thanks, Phil, for giving us this opportunity. Over to you, Phil.
Thank you, and congratulations again to all of you for joining me today. I would also like to thank all the reviewers and other contributors to policy debates and regional studies over the last 12 months. Regional studies goes from strength to strength, and in policy debates section, we're looking to publish more innovative, policy-facing and salient papers that seek to shape regional and urban policy debates. Full details of the types of paper we accept are on the Regional Studies website. Thank you all for joining us virtually today, and I hope to see you in person at a Regional Studies event shortly. Goodbye.